Hey guys, so I'm back today to show you guys the hair that I put online yesterday, the human hair crochet. So I'm getting ready to actually install it on my client's hair, and when I say it is everything. So she basically bought an extra pack of hair, and like I said yesterday, she bought 8 packs, but she went back to get a ninth pack. But once I started and actually started putting the hair in, you really don't need that much hair. Basically, we used I think 3.5 packs of hair, and it just depends on what you like. She doesn't want it really, really big, so 3.5 packs was perfect. And as you can see, they have the pre-loops, so they're kind of stretchy. So I'm gonna get like a close-up so you guys can see how the loops are. And then basically you only need to do one loop, and it's nice and secure after you do that. It's basically locked in. You don't have to do all those double loops and knots to it. It's locked in place after that. That's the beauty of it. So basically pull the crochet needle through, pull that band, and latch it like you usually would, but then you pull the hair through the other band, and it locks itself in place. And you don't have to do it but that one time, and it's just nice. It's seamless, nice and secure. You don't have that bulkiness. I definitely recommend this hair, and like I said, it's a good investment. It's still lighter than having a sew-in, and you can get to your hair a little bit better, like your scalp. If you want to oil your hair a little bit, I think this is a good investment to get this kind of hair if you're into crochets and you want to try human hair. So guys, what I do to cover the band, you want to take your crochet needle, kind of go through the top of the hair, the actual hair that's braided. Go through there and take a piece of the crochet hair and pull that through where the braid, like what I'm trying to say is, yeah, bring it between the braid hair and the crochet hair and like loop it through it. Hopefully that makes sense to you. That way it kind of camouflages the band. So you go through the braided hair that's on the scalp, the little hair that's left that's exposed, and you loop some of the single loose hair over that band. That way it kind of camouflages it and you won't see the band. So guys, it's all done, and as you can see, it's beautiful. And yes, I just wet the hair down. It is human hair. Beautiful. See how those curls bounce back? Invest in this hair, guys.